Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to get notifications on your phone. Well, notification like effects. So whenever I get a notification around my screen, I get different effects. And Samsung already has some preset, but there's more that you can get for the free. You can go to settings there, and once you go to your settings, you can go to notifications. And then once you go to notifications, you can go to notifications pop-up style. And then from here, it's going to show you add lightning effects. So from here, it's only for, well, I guess for detail and brief. But you can hit that, and then it's going to show you these ones. So it has this one, and like as you can see, the top thing changes, and like this one has fireworks, things like that. So they have these ones, and if you're already familiar, then you're familiar with this, but with Good Lock. So that's another application here that you get from the Samsung store. I'm going to put the link in the description below here, but Good Lock, you're able to download an app called Edge Lighting Plus. So then with Edge Lighting Plus, you're able to get even more custom effects. So you have set custom style. So then now you see you have Mario mushrooms there, and you can get popcorn, snowfall, digital hearts, things like this. On here with different colors and even advanced ones, you can change the size of it, the rotation, just the way it shows on the screen here. But yeah, so I mean, you can pretty much do anything you want to with this. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the link in the description. Good Lock for Edge Lighting Plus. But that's how you get different notification setups. Let's get it, let's go. If you have any other ways, let us know in the comments. All right, peace.